The WEP 982D-II Micro Soldering Kit is a versatile 2-in-1 station that allows simultaneous use of Type 210 and Type 245 soldering irons, making it ideal for precision work. Automatic calibration ensures consistent temperature control across different soldering tips, enhancing accuracy and reliability during intricate soldering tasks. The kit's adaptive display mode prioritizes the active soldering iron, helping users maintain focus and efficiency while working on delicate projects. With 3 preset channels, users can quickly switch between stored temperature settings, reducing setup time and streamlining the soldering process. Rapid heating and precise temperature stabilization are achieved within 2 seconds thanks to the advanced PID program, ensuring consistent performance. Integrated tools, including a metallic rack and heat-resistant silicone components, enhance safety and convenience, making this kit user-friendly and efficient.